Today, I've got a neat little party snack that is going to tick all the boxes and still bring the wow factor. We're going to be cooking with the Fun Guy WA mushrooms. These guys are a local business that is supplying DIY kits for the home grower, so you can grow them at home yourself. Oh, they're so beautiful. They're like little clouds. You want a nice rough chop on the mushrooms, and they'll act as a sponge. So anything we're adding to it, they will soak up. That's the beauty of mushrooms. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of sesame oil, some garlic, and we'll quickly follow that with the mushies. It's going to need a little bit of liquid pretty quickly. So I've got mirin in here. And then about 2 tablespoons of soy. Might just add a bit of ginger in here as well, just to lift the flavour. So let that simmer for about 5 minutes until all of the juices are sucked in from the mushroom and you get a nice dark colour. Now it's time to make the vessel that's going to hold them. These are called cassava crackers. So you can find them at most Asian stores. It's a root vegetable that's been processed down into these sheets, and we're going to puff them up in some fairly hot oil. We want about 170 degrees to really puff up properly. The cassava cracker does like to curl in on itself. So you just want to keep it as flat as you can. The last element of this dish is a lemon myrtle emulsion, which is pretty much just an aioli. Start it with 1 egg, half a teaspoon of garlic, just over a teaspoon of mustard, about a tablespoon of vinegar. I've used rice wine vinegar here just because there's some of the flavours that we've got going through the rest of the dish. You just want to bring all this together. I'm also going to add the softest part of the lemon myrtle tree. If you obviously don't have a fresh lemon myrtle tree, you can use dried lemon myrtle. It works just as well. Okay, once that's all combined, we can start slowly adding the oil. I'm using a grapeseed oil here, but just any oil that doesn't have too much flavour, not an extra virgin olive oil, otherwise it'll be too peppery. Add it nice and slowly, and that's where the emulsification happens. So when you're happy with the thickness, I think that's pretty good, that's when you stop adding oil. So the flavour I'm looking for is a really sharp acid. Lemon myrtle has the highest level of citral acid in any citrus, higher than lemon or lime. Yep, perfect. And now to the plating. These have cooled down, so you should be able to handle them pretty easily. You just want to make an organic break in the middle, perfect. That's the sound we're looking for. So there you have it, my neat little party trick. Mirrin mushrooms, cassava crackers and lemon myrtle emulsion. It's sure to be a crowd pleaser.